Mutiani wa Kcpe na Kpsea kauntini ya Masaku kwi umunthi kioko niwambiliilye vate mathina vala amanyiwa 6,682 mekwikaliila Mutiani usu iseseni syoonthe ila syi kauntini ino Walanio wa Kuvingua container ya kwia Mutiani usu na kunyaaikya iseseni syi kivathukanyo yakusiiwa ni muandiki munene muviani wa kisomo cha yiulu va Kenya Dr. Beatrice Inyangala ula waelesya kana silikali nikuendee na kwikia Walanio ala mailite kwikithia mitiani isu ni yathela vatena mathina kana vatena thina wana umwe Daniel Mwangala na ilivoti
ku amanyiwa ma kilasi cha 8 na alama grade 6 mayambisya mutiani wo wa muthia wa mwaka kwi umunthi va kauntini ya Masaku amanyiwa 7,600 maana ili 661 nimo maendee na kwikalila mutiani usu wa Kcpe ondu umwe na wa Kpsea. Nthini wa mutiani wa Kpsea imwana ila sikukalila mutiani usu ni 17,875 na mo etu me 17,874 amanyiwa onthe me 34,949 na wokalikoni wa Kcpe amanyiwa me 41,318 imwana syi 21,690 na mo etu me 19,628 kwi umunthi isiso ya Kuvingua ikumbi ya kwia Mutiani usu va kauntini ya Masaku ni yakusiiwa ni muandiki munene mutinika muviani wa kisomo cha yiulu Dr. Beatrice Inyangala ula waelesya kwianiwa kwake undu isiso yu ya kunyaaikya mutiani usu yatwaiwa.
I came to provide oversight on the examinations that have commenced today, both for Kcpe and Kpsea. We started off at 6 a.m. All the center leaders came and collected the papers for Kcpe and Kpsea, and there was no incident. It went very smoothly. Then after that, we are walking around to see how the exercise is taking place. We started with this Machakos primary because it's the largest. It has 227 candidates for Kcpe and 259 candidates for Kpsea. Kcpe, I must say, was very, very smooth. The Kpsea, we have an approach whereby we do not index the students because it gives that perception of who is brighter, you know. So because of that lack of indexing, the names were a little bit mixed up for some of the papers, for some of the classes, but so it took a little longer to begin, but the students have settled and everything is going well. There was actually just one student whose name was misspelled. I would say those were not really significant challenges, so everything should go well. What really impressed me is the students are very relaxed, smiling, hopeful. I believe they have been adequately prepared, both for the Kcpe and Kpsea, and I'm expecting good results.
Inki ni waelesya kana mutiani wa Kpsea ni wakumana utonyi wa amanyiwa ondu umwe na kuona inengo syo na ingi kulinda yanthela na hivyo nthini wa Walanio wa kisomo.
I had a point to add on Kpsea. It's very important for parents to know that this is assessment for learning. You know, there's assessment of learning where you are capturing what a student has achieved. But in this case, we go beyond that because we want to see the concentration of competencies for a student so that we categorize them and start helping them to consolidate those competencies in which they are excelling so that in the end we can guide them to pursue the different pathways, the arts and sports or the STEM or the social sciences. So this is a very important assessment in terms of helping the students to develop their careers from a very early stage so that they can be very solid as they move up the education ladder.
Daniel Mwangala, Usongo TV, kumava kauntini ya Masaku.